Welcome back to the channel. In today's Power BI tutorial, we will learn how to create two of the most commonly used visualization chart, that is bar chart and the pie chart, using sample data. And we will also learn how to enhance our report with the title and the theme. Let's get started. First, open Power BI desktop. First, we have to click on blank report. So now we have to load the sample data. Go to Home tab and click on Get Data. Choose Excel and load the sample file. I'll select sample superstore file. Click on open. Now it is connecting. In Navigator, we have to choose which data we have to load. Click on orders. You can see the preview here. Check the preview. Based on this data, we are going to do work. Next, we have to click on load. So now data is loading here. So you can see loading process is ongoing. After loading, you can see the data in data pane. It takes time. You have to wait for it. Yes, loading is completed. So in last video, I already explained about Power BI interface. In your right side, you can see the data pane. In that, you have to click on this particular title of the sheet, which we already loaded here. So you can see the details which was visible here. So now we are going to add chart in this particular canvas. Let's start with bar chart. So go to visualization pane. In that, I'm clicking on clustered bar chart. So this is visible in the canvas. Just resize it. So now you can see the changes here. So you have to fill the field details. So which is in visualization pane. Go to visualization pane. So first you have to fill y-axis details. So I'm dragging subcategory and fill the y-axis part. I want sum of sale by subcategory chart. So you have to drag sales in x-axis. So now the details which was visible in this particular chart. Now you have a clear bar chart showing the sum of sale by subcategory. So after inserting bar chart, so now we have to go for customization or formatting this particular chart. So if you want to format this chart, again you have to go to visualization pane. The first part, for inserting chart and filling field, you have to click on build visual. So if you want to customize the particular chart, you have to click on format your visual. So I am clicking on format your visual. In this format your visual, you can see two major options are available. One is visual and the one is general. So visual is related to that particular chart format part and general is related to the background, tooltips and header icon and title related format option. So if you want to change anything, you can use this particular format usual. Now you can see the x-axis font size was very low. So you can increase the size by using this. So just go to x-axis and you can see the title part is there. So in that title part, you can increase the size. So now you can see the changes which was appearing. You can change the color here. I'm selecting blue here. So you can see the changes which was happening. So this is related to this particular title part. And if you want to change the values part of x-axis, you can go to values in that x-axis only. So if you're clicking on this values, you can increase the size, bold, and you can change the color also. So I want to increase the size of this particular font and you can opt color. I want dark black. Now somewhat it is visible. You can bold it also. Now you can see the bold also done. So this is about the x-axis. Likewise, you have to do it for y-axis. So if I'm clicking on y-axis part, So now you can see in this side subcategory and the subcategory details which was visible in this y-axis. You can change the font color, font size and other things using this visual format. I don't go for font style. You can click on this. So I'm increasing the font. You can see the changes which was appearing. If you're clicking on bold, I want dark black color. You can see now it is visible. And then if you want to change the title part, so you can see this is a subcategory title of y-axis. You can change that part also. So if you are clicking on title part, in that increase the size to 14. Now you can see the size of subcategory which was increasing, and I want again blue color and I want bold. So now you can see this changes which was happening. So you can make it italic also. So this part is done. This is about y-axis part. So now you can see after that, if you don't want grid line, you can go here. So you can see some of the grid lines which was visible in this chart. You can remove that by clicking on this. Now you can see there is no any grid lines are there. So I just switched off the grid lines part. In this particular bar chart, I want data labels here. So there is no any details related to this particular part. Data labels is not visible. So you have to click on data labels, just switch on it. So now you can see the data labels which was visible now. If you're clicking on data labels, now you can see some other things which was available. So you can change it also. So you can increase the font color also. I just want to darken the color of this particular values. Yes. So this is about data labels. This part is done. If you want to change the title of this particular bar style, you can go to general option. So in general option, you can see the title part. If you're going to title part, you can edit the title part also. You can change the font style, font size, everything here. I'm just increasing the font size to 16. Yes, now you can see the size which was little bit increased. So just I'm bolding it because it's a title part, and I'm going to change the color of this. So I'm making it blue, and I want different font style. I'm just clicking on Comic Sans. So you can see the changes which was appeared here. I want to change the alignment because it is in left side. I want it in middle part. So just go down. You can see the alignment details also there. So I'm just clicking on middle. Center alignment. So you can see the title is visible in center. So this is about format of bar chart. I just changed the format of axis, x-axis, y-axis and data labels and even the title part of this particular chart. So next we are going to create pie chart. So now let's move on the pie chart. Yes, just click outside. Now you have to go to visualization pane because we are adding one more chart here. So in this particular visualization pane, you can see pie chart in third row. Just select the pie chart icon from the visualization pane. Now you can see the chart was visible in this canvas. So I'm just resizing this chart. So now you have to fill the details of field. So again you have to go to visualization pane. In that you can see in pie chart legend and values part you have to fill. So I'm going to create sales distribution by region. So I have to drag sales and region related details. So first I'm dragging region to the legend part. So just search the details which was available related to data in data pane. So you can see in data pane, select region and drag the region to the legend part, legend field. After that, you have to select sales and drag sales to the value section. This gives you a visual representation of sales distribution by region. Now I am going to do customization or format of this particular chart. So again you have to click on format visual in visualization pane. So in visualization pane, second part is format your visual. So you have to select the chart first and then you can see here legend, slices, detail labels and rotation. These are the things are there. So I don't want legend part here like west, east, central and south details which was visible. So I don't want this detail. So I am just going to switch off this details. So now you can see there is no legend part is there in this particular chart. Next you have to go to detail label and in label content you can see all detail labels. Just select all detail labels. So now you can see the legend part which I removed, which was visible in this particular detail labels only. So after detail labels, I'm going to bring this particular title of the chart to the middle and changing in the style of title. Just click on general and click on title. So now you can see heading part. In that again I am selecting font style Comic Sans and size increasing to 16 and I'm making bold. You can see these changes which was happened and I want to change the text color to blue. So now it is done. I want it in middle part, so you have to change the alignment to center. So now you can see this title part of this particular chart format which was done. Data labels part is not that much visible. So I want to increase the font size and I want to make it visible. So that's why you have to click on again visual part and go to detail labels. In detail labels click on values. So I am going to increase the font size. You can see the changes which was appearing here. So if you are increasing, it is increasing and I want to make it bold and you can change the color too. So now you can see, so this is about values part. I'm done with format part of chart. So now I'm going to add title using text box. So text box option which is available in home tab also, even in insert tab also. You can use text box to add the title. Go to insert tab. In insert tab you can see the text box. Click on text box. Now type the title sales report bar and pie chart. After this select the text and change the style, font style. So again I am selecting Comic Sans. Font size is not visible, so you have to increase the font size. I am selecting here 42 and the color of font you can change here. So I am choosing dark blue, bold it and make it center alignment. So now I am resizing this particular title box. So if you want to add background color for this text box, so after selecting this particular text box, you can see here format text box pane. So in that click on effect and then you have to choose the color here. So you can choose any color. So I am selecting light blue. So this is about adding background color to this particular text box. Now let's give the report a polished look using themes. Click on View tab. Click on View tab. In View tab, you can select the themes. Choose a theme from available built-in option. You can change it according to your wish. See the changes which was happening when we are selecting. different themes. The color and style across your visual will automatically update to match the selected theme. And that's it. You have now created bar and pie chart, added the title, and applied visual theme in Power BI. Your report are not only functional; they look greater too. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for more Power BI tutorials. Thank you all.